Today's watches serve greater purpose than merely telling time. They act as accessories, and for some, become statement pieces that reflect their individuality and a platform to express themselves. And yet, for others, watches are miniature canvases to display art. Enter the Charles Girardier Magic 8, a watch showcasing a kinetic composition that beautifully brings to life the concept of infinity in motion. Do you have any questions, thoughts, or feedback, or would you like to share your experience? Don't hold back. Drop them in the comments below or pop in by one of our boutiques in Switzerland whenever you like to discover this model firsthand. We're here to assist you. At Les Ambassadeurs, everyone is welcome, regardless of if you are an established watch collector, window shopper, or are new to the world of timepieces. We're more than happy to show you everything about this model in detail. Visit us in Geneva, located near the beautiful Lake Geneva, where Ignaz and his passionate team will warmly welcome you. In Zurich, you'll find us at Bahnhofstrasse on the main shopping street, overseen by Mohammed and his team. Explore our boutique in Luzern, near the iconic Chapel Bridge, where Max and his team will be delighted to showcase our latest collections and timeless favorites, including our exquisite fine timepiece selection. In the meantime, we invite you to visit our web shop where you can explore a wide selection of the latest timepieces. But for now, let's honor this remarkable timepiece by exploring its every detail. Named after one of the most esteemed master watchmakers of his era, Charles Girardier was founded in 2018 by Patrick Ulm. Inspired by Girardier Len's legacy of crafting sophisticated movements, his celebrated expertise in traditional arts like enameling and miniature painting, and creating automaton-like dial animations, Ulm aims to reintroduce this playful and innovative spirit of watchmaking to a new generation of collectors. Through its collection 8080 line, Ulm brings together all the hallmarks laid out by Girardier, imbuing it with his own craftsmanship and distinctive flair. This culminates in the Magic 8, serving as a timeless emblem of the brand's renaissance. The focal point of this watch is the dial. Your eyes cannot help but be drawn to its richly colored face crafted in Grand Feu enamel. The Magic 8 is offered in either an emerald green, cobalt blue dial, or purple, achieving a captivating color gradient through the encamailleux technique. However, the true highlight of the dial is its kinetic composition that plays on the number 8, hence its name. Aside from its connotation of good fortune, the number 8 symbolizes infinity, which was embraced by Ulm to signify perpetual motion. At the full minute, the 8 appears fleetingly as a whole, before gracefully being deconstructed into two sections rotating in opposing directions, only to reunite a minute later. Credit is due to the artisans in Geneva for their restraint, ensuring that the kinetic art takes center stage. They employed black indices that blend with the dial, while the silver Dauphine hands complement the animated 8, allowing it to shine without distraction. Driving both the kinetic art and timekeeping function of the Magic 8 is Charles Girardier's CG8080 caliber. The movement is self-winding via a peripheral mass and operates at the frequency of 28,800 vibrations per hour with a power reserve of 44 hours. Viewing it from the transparent caseback reveals a modern watchmaking aesthetic. The bridges are meticulously chamfered, polished, and adorned in a sleek black hue, achieved through the latest generation galvanic treatment. The large gear wheel of the winding mass and the balance wheel are lacquered in a shade matching the dial, making it stand out from the predominantly monochromatic landscape and creating depth and texture. Housing all these components is a 41mm case crafted from grade 5 titanium. The polished finish lends it a refined look, albeit a slightly chunky profile at 12.8mm thick. Nevertheless, the use of titanium ensures that the watch remains lightweight without compromising on durability and practicality. It is topped off with an anti-reflective crystal and boasts water resistance of up to 30 meters. Here lies a watch of eternal allure, marrying the classic with the contemporary, a timepiece destined to remain cherished even a decade hence. It transcends transient fads, boasting a singular style that endures through the ages. Despite its 41mm diameter, a delicate wrist comparison reveals its perfect harmony, effortlessly complementing average wrist sizes ranging from 16 to 18 cm without overwhelming their graceful proportions. The Charles Girardier Magic 8 comes with a choice of hand-sewn fabric or leather strap, both crafted in Geneva to match the dial's color. Additionally, it has a steel deployment clasp engraved with a CG monogram. In this highly competitive market, raising the profile of a brilliant yet rather obscure watchmaker is a tall order, but Ulm does this exceptionally, and the Magic 8 watch embodies the essence of what Charles Girardier envisioned for his watches: dynamic, playful, and impeccably crafted. Now available, the Charles Girardier Magic 8 is priced at 42,000 Swiss francs. Has this model caught your attention and captured your heart? If that's the case, uncover this gem at one of our boutiques or contact us via our website. Are you a big fan of animatronic dials? If so, how would you rate the Charles Girardier Magic 8? How does Charles Girardier fit into today's watchmaking landscape? Your feedback matters to us. Share your thoughts, experiences, and questions in the comment section below, or why not just drop by for a coffee at one of our boutiques where you can ask our watch experts anything you've always wanted to know about this model or the marvelous world of timepieces. In the meantime, subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to never miss out on the latest news, releases, and hands-on reviews ever again. Thank you for tuning in, and see you next time.